Hey YouTube, it's Jeff Trainer. Stay tuned for another video on how you can make more money in 2019 with an online business. It's Jeff Trainer with another business model. This is my fourth business model, making money online. Today I want to talk about how you can make money by publishing a free email newsletter. And what you do is you publish the free email newsletter and charge for an online community. You charge for extras, like, for instance, you could set up a chat room where members pay you yearly, quarterly, or monthly to chat with the other subscribers of your newsletter. You could also set up a forum where your members pay to interact with the other subscribers of your newsletter. You could sell ad space in your newsletter, or you could sell highly targeted affiliate products because your newsletter is going to appeal to a highly targeted niche audience. And another way you can make money with your newsletter is you could sell digital information products that you find at sites like eJunkie, ClickBank, and JVZoo. Now, how do you get your newsletter going? Well, the best way to do it is to have a website and use search engine optimization for your niche, and then have pop-up forms on your website where people subscribe to your free newsletter. You could also use YouTube videos and ask for your subscriber emails and then ask them if they'd like to join your newsletter. Or you could use Google Ads and direct them to your website where they sign up. Another way you could do it is totally free, with a free blog. And you ask people to sign up for your newsletter. This is a powerful way of making money, and you don't have to spend any money to do it. For example, I'll walk you through the mail service that I use, and they have a free account. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is MailerLite here, and check this out. You could have 1 to 1,000 subscribers, and the monthly cost is free. And with this free account, you could send out 12,000 emails per month. So basically, it's going to take you quite a while probably to get above 1,000 subscribers. And then if you do, get above 1,000 subscribers, it's only $15 a month. So if you have 2,000 subscribers, you're going to be making way more money than $15 a month. So this is a great mail service. I've used it in the past. I'm very happy with it, and I'm very happy to offer it to you. So this mail service rocks, and I use it, and the link for it is in the description of this video. So guys, this is another excellent way to make money online. It's a proven business model that'll work if you stick with it. And basically all you need to do to start it up is have a free blog, and you collect newsletter subscribers, and you could start for free. You could start your mail service for free, and the link's in this description. So I hope you got some value out of this video and you subscribe to my channel, where I have many, many business models that can make you a lot of money online in a legitimate way. Sure, they take a little work and time, but all businesses do. These are online businesses, not money-making schemes or pyramid schemes or multi-level marketing crap. These are the way to make money online, and if you'd like to make some money online, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if you receive some value, and we'll see you in the next video. Jeff Trainer, adios and have a good night.